During high school, my last 2 years here, I got involved with Kickin It Live, the WARL productions, and did the technical aspects for the shows. And as much as it's a classroom, you're given access to put on these shows, and it's what we like to call a learning lab. So you get the chance to fail. I mean, you can mess up, but you grow from that. Amanda Fountain, our studio director, she was instrumental in getting me into this field. I'm a student at Capital University and a film and media production major there, and I work a lot with the athletics side as well, doing a lot of media there with their broadcast and social media content. So really getting to have both sides of the production aspect, and I'm excited where that can take me. At least of right now, I plan to go into the video broadcasting world for like sports in stadiums, wherever I can find a job or around the country, and getting to work in those even larger environments. Really the opportunities UA gave me. They gave me many chances to step up and be a leader in every space that I was in the classroom, in extracurriculars, in every area.